3, 2, 1. Hey guys, today we're fixing my Korean sword. And also got some tape and we're gonna fix it with tape. Yes, the tape is sticking together. Now we just do this. Okay, never mind, that's not working. Me duct tape. This tape is not working. Duct tape. Longer taper. Da 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 da. This is going to be easy when I'm squeezing it. The cracks are going bye-bye. Go bye-bye, crack. Go bye-bye, crackies. Die, die, crack, die, 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 crack, die. Okay, Dad. This tape is not even working, Dad. This tape is not even working. Okay, you squeeze it even harder.
Okay.
Oh wait, there's more cracks, more cracks, more cracks. Yeah, that's it. Oh, that's not it. That's not it. I want to make it even more tape. So it's like Costco. The tape is sticked on. Okay, I'm gonna go get scissors. Don't use that black scissors at home. Don't use this at home don't do this at home if you're 2 years old or 3 years old or 1 year old. No. Basically, I'm almost done. Okay, that's the end of the video. If you had these in your home, you will literally die because those are glass and that can go through your head and brain. So we don't want to do that. And also, and sometimes I touch the table ones and they don't even fall. And that's probably funny. Okay, that's the end. Okay, we're all done. Bye.